This is not just a mug. It's an AI-powered smart mug that keeps your drink at the perfect temperature all day long. With an integrated LED screen, this mug shows you the exact temperature of your beverage in real time. Cold coffee? No problem. Smart Temp uses intelligent sensors to maintain your ideal temperature, whether it's 55 degrees Celsius or 65 degrees Celsius. It's like having a personal barista keeping my coffee exactly how I like it all day. It charges wirelessly and comes with a spill-proof, rechargeable base. Just set it down and it powers up automatically. Temperature control is effortless with just a tap. The mug has touch-sensitive controls built right in, making it super easy to adjust on the go. It even has mood-based color lights that subtly glow based on temperature. Red for hot, blue for warm, green when it's perfect. Whether I'm working, studying, or gaming, this mug fits seamlessly into my setup. It's designed for on-the-go too. Double wall insulation keeps my drink warm even when I'm outdoors. And controlling everything from my phone is awesome. The companion app lets me set schedules, alerts, and temperature remotely. Cleaning is a breeze. It's splash-proof so I can confidently use it every day, and it's easy to rinse when needed. Plus, it fits in my car cup holder too. Coffee on the road has never been smarter. Here are 3 reasons why this smart mug is a game changer. First, precise temperature control. Unlike traditional mugs, this one uses AI to keep your drink at the exact temperature you desire. Whether you like your coffee piping hot or your tea perfectly warm, this mug will hold it just the way you like it, hour after hour. No more cold coffee or lukewarm tea. Second, modern sleek design. It's not just functional, it's also a statement piece. The minimalist aesthetic fits into any home decor, and the integrated LED screen adds a futuristic touch. Whether you're into smart home gadgets or not, this mug is a conversation starter for sure. Third, app connectivity. The companion app takes convenience to the next level. You can control the temperature, set reminders, and even schedule your perfect cup of coffee, all from your phone. It's the ultimate hands-free experience. And here's an extra reason why you need this mug in your life: all-day battery life. The rechargeable base ensures that your mug stays powered up and ready to go. No more worrying about running out of power midday. This mug is built for non-stop use. 2 average coffee mugs, and hello to the future of coffee enjoyment. With an AI-powered intelligence and a sleek design, this smart mug is the perfect addition to your kitchen. It's not just a mug, it's a smart investment in your daily happiness. Now let's talk about what sets this mug apart from the ordinary. First, its AI-powered temperature control is unmatched. This mug doesn't just keep your drink warm, it maintains the precise temperature you desire. Whether you like your coffee hotter than the sun or your tea as gentle as a summer breeze, this mug delivers. Second, the double wall insulation is top-notch. This means your beverage will stay warm for hours on end, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. No more settling for lukewarm drinks. Third, the wireless charging base is both convenient and sleek. Just snap the mug onto the base and it starts charging. No more fumbling with cords or finding the perfect angle. Finally, the integrated LED screen is a futuristic touch that coffee lovers will appreciate. It displays the real-time temperature of your drink, so you always know if it's hot, warm, or cold. But wait, there's more. This mug also has a built-in timer. Set it to brew for a specific time, and it will keep your coffee fresh and flavorful, never bitter or weak. Let's talk about convenience. With this mug, you can control everything from your smartphone. Set the temperature, start brewing, and receive alerts when your coffee is ready. It's the ultimate hands-free coffee experience. So would you use this every day? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting gadgets. Your support helps us bring you the coolest tech from around the world. Thanks for watching, and happy coffee sipping.